That's a fish, that's a fish, that's a fish. It's fighting really weird. Oh boy. If I get to either catfish or pike. Oh, pike. Yes! I thought I felt a bite over there. We got a 40-pound leader, so it should be good. Oh! Nice pike.
Oh, look at him.
First outing with the Daiwa sellers came in the mail today. Don't go on this, don't go on this. This way. Wow. That's a beauty. It's my first pike in 4 months on the little Clio. Haven't got one since like May. Oh, yes. Come on, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Yes. I got one. Oh, he choked the Clio. It is down the hatch. He choked it. Look at that. Clio. Here we go. Nice, probably 7-ish pound pike. Look at that. Beauty. Fat one. He'll go, he has a lot of energy. He loved that Clio. Probably, there he goes. Probably solid 30 to 32 incher. Awesome. There's what he bid on. Gold little Clio, and I painted on some blue, worn off now, with some black dots in the back. Choked it. 40-pound fluorocarbon leader. Literally the first 15 casts with the, probably the first 12 casts with the new Daiwa Exceller. Just got in the mail. Reel took it awesome. Yes. Yes. Let's go.